Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join or open Roblox private server links on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So what we want to do is copy the link and go to our notes here. I've just pasted this link for a private server in my Notes app. And then what we want to do is click and hold on the link itself. It will generate a preview of the game that we're going to play, and we want to just click on the open button here. Now after we have clicked on this, it will load up the page like so here. Now make sure you have previously logged in into your Roblox account. And I'm just going to show you that this works. It will load up the game on my phone and just works. So wait until it loads. And as you can see now, I can play this game which I joined through private server link. So that's basically how you can join or open Roblox private server links on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.